everyone, welcome back to Rayyan. Today we are going to bring a portfolio design from Figma to life using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your front-end skills, this step-by-step guide will help you build a sleek, responsive portfolio website from scratch. So, if you're ready to turn your designs into a fully functional website, let's dive in right in, and let's get it started. So now guys, let's start to build it in the Figma. So let me tell you how to build it in Figma, how to do this all thing. So let me tell you, and let's start, and let me tell you how to build it in Figma. So let me tell you. So first of all, what you can do, by the way, let me tell you, first of all, let me open it now. Let me tell you what you can do for building that. First of all, you want to go on your Figma. Figma is not downloaded, means that Figma has no downloaded, means you do not download the Figma. Figma is the online editor, okay. So now let's click on the Figma and let me click Google. Okay, now it take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily. Yes. So now click on the new design file because we are creating a new design. So now first of all, I click on the framework and I'm giving MacBook Air, okay. Now when I give to the MacBook Air and I'm giving in colors will be black. Now when I give the colors will be black, what can I do? Let me tell you. Here I select my text tool and here I am writing here Rayyan, okay. And here you write your name also, Montserrat. I am giving the font will be Montserrat because in the coding we are also using the Montserrat font. Okay, let me click Montserrat and I am giving him should be some bold. And I am giving him size will be 20. Okay. So now color I am giving BD464. No, this not this color. Little bit this type of color, but not this color. Opacity is 100. Okay. Now give the color like this. Okay, this color is perfect. Now when you give the color like this, but I'm thinking this is not a like good color, so what can I do? I go here and I open my website and let's see the color code of it. Inspect, and the color code is like this, and then let me copy the color code and paste the color code. Let me tell you what is the color code. Color code is like BA2640, okay, like that. So now when I do like that, so what can I do? I press Alt and then I am deleted then now, and then Alt and then paste it like that till here, okay. Till here it is perfect. Now here I am writing like home space skills space education and then space and then services and then space and then contact. And when I do like that, so I am backspace from here and from backspace from here. Giving the colors will be white, and when I give the colors will be white, I am giving him should be 15 and I am giving him should be medium. And then I am go like that here. Forward. Now forward like that. Now more forward. Now that's it, and let me give the space from here, space from here, and then space from here, and then space from here. So now when I do like that, so till here our work is done. So now let me tell you what we can do. Here we create one line from here to here, and I'm giving his colors will be white, and then I'm giving the strokes will be this type of stroke. So give him some up like that and then some up like that. Now perfect. So here you can see our navbar has been built very easily, yes, and I'm selecting this and then click here and give the color like that, and select the pen tool and make one line here and give the color the line same, okay, same color, okay, like that. So now it is looking like this, and let me do this and let me increase the stroke of the line, and now it is good. So now it is looking like this. So now what can I do? I will be drag and drop my image here. When I drag and drop my image here, I will be do like that, and now it is in circle now. And let me big my image, and then I do like that again. So now let me big my image again. Now let me do like that. Okay, this is perfect. And here what can I do? I select my image. Here you put your own image also. I select it and I am give the effect, and effect when I give should be layer, not sorry, this inner shadow, and the color of the shadow is I'm giving this type of color. Inner shadow, not drop shadow, is perfect, and from here the drop shadow has been blur like this and like this. Okay, now it is perfect. Now what can I do? I will be down it. Now here I write like hi comma it's Rayyan, I am a YouTuber. Okay, but when we are coding, we will be design it like here's come like I am a YouTuber, then I am a travel blogger, I am a designer, I am a developer. Like when we do a coding, it look like this. Now let me give the size will be 50. So 50 is smaller, 55. 55 is more smaller, 60. 60 is good. Now here I will be select him, and then I am giving the color like that, and then select it and give the color like that, and then here I am giving him to be bold, okay, not extra bold, and eyes will be smaller, you must know that. Now what can I do for now? Here we will be down it now, and here I am writing like personal portfolio website paragraph. Now it is generating it, and let me copy it, okay, and let me paste it. When I paste it, I am giving him size will be 20, not 20, 15. 15 is perfect, and then I am writing here enter, and then let me show you, enter, then one more time enter, erase this line, and then when I do like that, so enter press, and then press this, and then like that enter, and from here you will be also be enter. Now the paragraph is much bigger, so let me small it now. Now here you can see it. Now here I am giving him size should be 20, and then I am giving him should be medium, like that. So it is now looking like that, and let me come down, do it in the down, and now what can I do? I create ellipse, and when I create ellipse, I let me big it, and let me give the colors will be none, okay, color nothing I am giving him, I am giving him only the stroke, and strokes will be this color, and let me give the stroke little bit like that, and then outside, and then like this. Now here we are right here GitHub a flat icon, and from flat icon I gave him like, let me go on the flat icon, let me close it, okay, but what can I do? I will go here, open my website. You will also pick the logo from the flat icon, but I'm picking from here. I'm drag drop here. When I drag and drop, so why it is not coming? Let me see. It is not coming, so we will pick it from here. Okay. Now let me write here GitHub. When I write here GitHub, the GitHub logos has been come. I want with outline. Here it is coming with outline. I will be added the icon from here. When I click on the edit the icon from here, so it is saying me do not register. Okay, edit icon. Okay, let me register it, login. And now I am clicking the continue with Google, and when I click on the continue with Google, I will be register in the here, okay, in the flat icon, and it take a little bit loading. You can see it. Let me continue it, and now continue. So now it has been continued. So now it take a little bit loading. Now it has been open it. Now I click to the edit the icon, and when I click on the edit the icon, I am giving him the colors will be like this color code. Let me copy this color code and let me paste it. Now we have downloaded from PNG. This will be 512 pixel free downloaded. So now it has been downloaded. So now I am drag and drop my GitHub icon here, and let me small it from here. And when I small it from here, I am putting him here. Okay. So now when I put it from here, so let me come here like that. Now here I go, and here I want YouTube icon. Or let me see if we pick the YouTube like icon or not. Copy link address and paste it. Let me drag and drop this here. Now it is not coming. YouTube. So I am giving the YouTube. Let me pick the YouTube and let me edit the icon. Then I am giving him should be same color which I have give him. Same color. Okay, where is the color? Let me copy the color code, and then I pasting the color code here. And then I'm downloaded from PNG 512 pixel free download. So now it has been downloaded. So now let me show you how it is looking. Come here, come to the here, and why YouTube logo has been not come? Let me see. Edit, not this. Let come here, and then let me download it simply like that. Free download. So it has been downloaded. When it has been downloaded, I click on the here and let me drag and drop my YouTube logo here. And then I am small it from here, much more than small, and now remove it, and it has been came here. When it has been came here, I am giving its opacity shall be 70, 60 or 50. Okay, now this opacity is perfect for this color. Or what you can do 100, and then come here like this. You will also do like that. Okay, now give him some light, some dark, some little bit dark, and then do like this, like that. Now it is perfect. It's a very same color which we have given. Now when our this work is done, so now we put you will put your Instagram logo and then LinkedIn logo. I'm not putting it, okay, but you will put it. Now let me small it and let me come it here. And when our work is done till here, so now we make our one button. Okay, which type of button? Let me show you. Click here, rectangle, and then make one button. And this button will be make in here. Let me big it from here. Do like that, and give the color nothing. Give the stroke. So will be click here. Stroke you give here, and then give the stroke little bit that, and effect. Okay, effect you will give. Okay, effect is also remained, and give him like this. Not in the this color. Give in this same color, and let me small it like that. And let me do this, and let me do this. Now perfect. Now our button is also be built very perfect. And now in the button I write here hire me. and when I write it, so I am giving him color should be the same color, this color, okay. And now perfect. So here you can see it, our button has been also been made it, and this our first page has been made it very easily. Yes. And now let me click here and let me came down and let me select the pen tool, and from the pen tool I'm building one line like that. And when I build one line, I'm giving him colors will be red, and then the stroke I'm giving him like that. Erase it, beg it, and do like that. Enter press. Now what can I do now? We come on our skills page. In skills page, what you can do, you only write here skills, and when you write here skills, give him to the colors will be semi bold, and when you give him to the semi bold, give the size will be 20. If the 20 is smaller, give the 50. 50 is much bigger, I'm thinking that, okay. 50 is perfect, and when I give him to the 50, let me tell you what can I do. And the source code in the description with images and all thing, you will be easily build it in the Figma. Let me do like that, and let me do is, now what can I do, I give him to the some right, some left, and then now I click on the file explorer, and in your source code, this type of file has been okay in your folder, okay. This type of file has been already has been provided. So what you can do, you will be drag and drop like that, okay. This file has been already provided you in your in the source code, okay. This file has been already provided. So let me small it, and let me go here, and then do like that. Let me give him like this, and let me drag it here, and when I drag it here, let me give him big sum, and now it is perfect, I'm thinking like that. Up, come here like that. Now perfect it is. So here you can see it, we build our skills, okay, we build our skills also. So now let me select our MacBook Air, and let me big it from here, and when I big it from here, I will be drag and drop this line from here, and this picture is also be in your source code. This picture I am selecting it here, you can see this picture. So do this like that, and let me do like that. Now when I do like that, and this all things, select your image and give him to the effect. Effect means like in the red color or in this color. Give him some effect like this type of effect. So let me tell you how you can give it. First of all, select this and crop like that from here also, and then from here also. Then enter press, then give him to the drop shadow, and then drop shadow I am giving him like that, and little bit like this. Now perfect. So now it is perfect. Now we come on our education page. In our education page, you do the same thing, you will be paste like that, and here you only write here education. But let me tell you what is the meaning of but. Give him to the extra bold. What you give him to the extra bold, and when you give him an extra bold, give him some right then left. See the alignment, okay, properly, because we are building a very unique, that's why. Now let me give him to the alignment, okay. This alignment is good. So I'm copy and pasting this image. This image is already provided you in your source code, okay. Drag and drop it, and then paste it like this. Give him to the here we are, upload not selected. Why is it not selecting? Okay, crop it from here. enter press, and now when I do this, so let me big it from here, and when I big it from here, so let me select the artboard and let me big my artboard. And this one more section is 2025 and 2026. Here you can see this section. So what you can do for this section, and let me tell you, you will build this section. How you will build this section, let me tell you. First of all, you make one box. Okay, first of all make one box. Okay, when you make this box, then zoom it out and then give him some little bit like that, and then do this and do like that. Now give the color same, this color. Okay, when you give this type of color, drag and drop him here, and in 2025 let me tell you what you can do. Come down here, I'm writing like internship. When you write internship, I'm giving him to be bold, semi bold, sorry, and giving him size should be 40, not 30, not 20. Now when I do like that, here I am paste this, and then I am copy this. Okay, Lorry mixture. When I copy it, and then I am pasting it, and when I pasted it, I am enter press from here, enter press from here, enter press from here, and then enter press from here, and then enter press enter. Okay, but perfect. Give him to the file size 15 to, let me show you, 15 to 13. Okay, now 13 is perfect. So now what can I do here, and enter press, and then enter, and then one more time. Like this it is looking like, and give the size will be regular. Okay, so regular is perfect. So intercept will be also be made it, but give him some bigger. Let me show you how, which type of bigger. First of all, big from here, big from here, big, and then big, and then one more time big it, then one more time big it, like this, and then give the size will be 15, and then do like this, and right here when you write that type of things, and then do like that. Now perfect this is. So now when it is perfect, come down, now do like that and do like that. Now it is perfect. So now what you can do, select it, and then what you can do, same thing you will be do. Let me show you. So select your pen tool and select it from here, select it from here, and give him tool here. Okay, so when you do this, come up with it, and then give the color same, and then give the stroke like that, and give some 4, sorry, not 4, not 3.5, 3.5, okay, 4, okay, 4.5, okay, 4.6, okay, but it is perfect. 4.6 is perfect. Now what can I do, I select my ellipse, and when I select my ellipse, I will make my ellipse here, and then I'm giving him color like this, but it's not perfect like that. No, it is not perfect. Okay, now like this. Now when you do this, you will be select your internship plus your box, and then paste it here. Select it, select, and then select, and then paste here. And when you paste it here, you write here the number 2026 in the bold, and here you give the size will be 20, 20 to 25. Okay, and then like this. And then I select my MacBook Air, and when I select my MacBook Air, I will be big it from here, and when I big it from here, I am giving him should be job 1. I am giving him job 1. How I give it, let me tell you. I will be do like that and do like this. Now perfect, and I am writing here job 1. Now it is perfect. Okay, so now when it has been perfected, so now what can I do? I do the same thing. Select it, big it, and then stop it, and like that. And then select your circle, and then drag and drop him here. And when you drag and drop him here, and then select him again and give him again, and then cross it. So now when you do this, you will be select this again, that and that, and then paste it again like that. And when you paste it, give him from here, give 2027, and write here job 2 in the right side like that. And when I select it, and let me do it like that. So now it is looking like this. Let me do that, and now it is perfect. Now when it has been perfect, I am big it from here. Now it is our education page is also be built very easily. Yes, let me close it and let me erase it. Now what can I do? Why it has been moving from his place? Now let me select it and let me big my artboard again. And now let me big my artboard, and then I'm making one line from here to here, and this color, the line color is red. Okay, and like that, this one line will be made it. And when I make this type of line, I am come on our services page to made a services. So you do same thing as first of all, drag and drop this from here to here, and when you drag and drop it, come here and write here services, and then I will re-put it from here. And now this image is also be provided in your in your source code. Okay, these whole images will be provided, so you will drag and drop it from here. And then what you can do, select it, then fill, then crop, and then drag and drop from here. When you drag and drop from here, so let me tell you what you can do, small it from here, and then big it from here little bit, and then big it from here. So now big it from here also little bit, and now it is good. And when it is good, so now let me tell you what we can do. Do like that. Now do this. Now select it, and let me tell you what you can do. Select your rectangle, and when you select your rectangle, so let me tell you what you can do. Select your rectangle, build your rectangle here, and when you build your rectangle here, so let me tell you what you can do. First of all, big it from here and big it from here. Do this, and when you do this, give the color like that. And then what you can do, this color will be here. And now here you write, select your pen tool, here you write like web development, and then give him to the front. And when you give him to the front, give the size will be 20. What is the size of this? Let me see. No, development is not coming. Let me big him from here. Okay, I think the font is the regular. Okay, now it is good. So now if I give him should be, okay, size is smaller, 21. 21 is not perfect, or let me do this. Now this size is perfect. So what you can do with this size, you will be drag and drop him from here to here. And when you drag and drop it, so now let me tell you what you can do now. You will be paste it like that, and then you will be copy this lorem ipsum, and when you will be copy this lorem ipsum also, yet, and then come here and then paste it. And when you paste it from here, you press enter from here, and then enter press from here, enter press from here, and then enter from cross here, and then enter press from here, or I'm erasing from here, and then I will be press backspace, and now here I am writing 20. 20 is smaller 10. 10 is perfect for this, and when I give him to the 10 size, or it is now perfect. Now it is looking like this. Okay, now our services page has been also be built very easily. Yes, so what we can do will be go like that and do this, and when I do this, so now we make our contact section. To how to make the contact section, to make the contact section, you will be all what you can do, you will be selected this line and paste this line here, and then paste this contact here, sorry, services here, and then change it to be contact, change it, and when you change it, so what you can do, select your MacBook Air and then big it from here. Now what you can do, first of all, you make your one rectangle here, and when you make one rectangle here, so let me tell you what you can do here. Enter press like that. Now when I do this, so I'm giving him colors will be that, and now when I give this color like this, so what can I do, I give him should be stroke, and then I'm giving him should be red, and then I'm giving him should be like little bit, okay, only little bit, like that. And now when I do this, so let me tell you what we can do now. First of all, let me pick it from here, and let me give him to this type of color. And now when I do this, then I will be do like that. Now I'm not giving him this color, I'm giving him like this type of color. And now when I give him this type of color, I'm giving effect, and effect I'm giving him should be this type of effect, should be smaller, and then I am giving him like that. Now when I do like this, so now let me tell you what we can do now. Here we write full name, and when I write full name, here I am writing this color, and when I write this color, I am giving him should be 15, and when I give size will be 15, I give him here this, and I am giving him should be semi bold, and 16, and then 18. So now when I do this, so I will be big it from here, and now here I am pasting that from here to here, and I'm erasing this full name, I'm writing here email, and then I'm pasting it from here, and I'm writing here phone number, and then here I'm writing subject. And now what we are doing here, so we will be pasted like that, and then I'm big it from here, and I'm writing here message, sorry, your message. And when I write it your message like that, so now let me tell you what we can do. I'm selecting it, and then I'm big it from here, and when I big it from here, I'm make one button. Okay, not making the button, we are copying our this button, copy it, and let me paste this button here. So how to paste this button here, let me tell you. Copy it, okay, then come here, then paste it, and when you paste this button, this button will become here, little bit here. Now when this button has been come here, you write here send message, and then I'm selecting it and I'm doing like that, and then I'm giving him should be in the front like this or like this, and then this type, and now like that. So now it is perfect. So here you can see it easily as we have built it. So now what can we do? We only made a footer. To make the footer, you select your rectangle, and when you select your rectangle, you will be put it here and give the color him. So will be this type of color you will be given your rectangle. Okay, so now when you give this type of color to your rectangle, so what you can do, come up, come up, come up, come here, and then come here. So then select this whole, then copy it, then come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, and then paste it like that, and then give him to here. And when you give him to the here, so now let me tell you what you can do. First of all, lock this, and now select this whole, and then do like that, do like that, and then what you can do here, so come here, come here. Okay, now perfect. Now here I am writing like FQA, then space, then I'm giving him should be about me, then space, then services, then privacy policy. So now when I give this, so we can give down, and now when I give like that, so here we will be pasted like that, and I'm writing here at the rate dev Rayyan.com all rights reserved license. So now when I do this, so I'm giving him size will be 15, and when I give to the size will be 15, so I'm putting it here. So here you can see it, it is easily as build it very easily as, so I'm giving him should be right like that or like that. So now, so here you can see it, we easily build it, here you can see it easily we built this personal portfolio in Figma. So let me show you in the interface. Let me open the Figma interview face, and when I open it, so it take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily as when it will be opened, so it is looking like that. Here you can see it, when I come down to skill page has been came, then come down education page, and then services page, and then contact page, which is looking very beautiful, then footer page like that. But this our paragraph is not coming. Why? I doesn't know why the paragraph is not coming. But anyways, but we have built it very easily as this beautiful personal portfolio in Figma. So now we do a coding of that. So now in the coding it is looking like that. Let me show you. This is a coding. Here you can see it in the coding it look like this. When you click skills, it in the skills. In the coding it will be look like this. Here you can see it. But in the Figma it is not look like this. Okay, when you write anything and then submit, here you see it like that. So but here you can see we easily build it in our Figma. So now let's build it in coding, and let's do a coding of it. So now let's do a coding part, and let's dive in coding part, and let's do a coding. Now let's start to write a code. So first of all, to write a code, so first of all you have an editor like a Visual Studio like Sublime or Atom. We are using in today's video we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these type of languages. So for that, if you are a beginner, you use like Sublime. Sublime is the best. In the Atom there is some hard work, but in the Sublime there is not any work. And I'm using the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Hey, so Visual Studio Code editor is advanced for people, and Sublime is a beginner. Okay, like that. So if you don't know how to download it, if you do not have downloaded it, let me tell you how to download it. First of all, go on to the Google, search here which text editor are you downloading, Sublime or Visual. For downloading the Sublime, and you write Sublime text download. First link has been came. Click on the first link, and the version build is 4180. So if you are on Mac, download on Mac. If you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Windows, download on Windows. I am on Windows, so I am not using the Sublime. I am just telling you how to download it. Okay. Now come back and search here now. It is Sublime Visual Studio Code. So click on the first link. So here is the same process: Windows, Linux, or Mac. If you are on Mac, download Mac. If you are on Linux, download Linux, or in your Windows at 10 or 11, you downloaded it. So, but anyway, so let's start to write a code. I have already downloaded the Visual Studio Code. First of all, you first of all write Visual Studio Code here, and then you create a new window. And when you create a new window, you click onto the file, then new file, and when you click it like that, then here you can write index.html, enter press, then you write here document, sorry, not documents, download, then right click, then new, then folder. In this folder you write portfolio, and then I make this folder, and in that folder I'm making my file by the name of index.html. Then I'm making one more file by the name of style.css, and I'm putting this same file into a same folder, okay, where our index.html file has. Okay, now I have made it these two files, so the source code is in the description. Okay, the source code of the video is in the description. Okay, now this is my images. Let me copy this images. Okay, let me copy this and this one more image, copy it, and here we can come and back, and here I'm pasting my image. So here my image has been also became. So let's start to write a code. First of all, you write here doc type. When you write doc type HTML, you write here HTML. Then in the HTML, you write here lang en. Then you write here portfolio slash view. And then here you write like sorted coding, like that. Now, first of all, we define a head, because now we are defining some headers things. Like first of all, we write like meta. In the meta, we write char shed. In the char shed, we write like UTF. Okay. Now, whenever till here our work is done, so now we define one more meta. In that meta, I write here name should be viewport, and then here are like content should be width equals to device minus width, comma, any tile slash scale equals to 1.0 slash space, like that. Now we define here title. In the title we write portfolio. Then in the portfolio we press enter. Then here we write like link, and in the link I write here rel, and in the rel we write here style sheet. In the style sheet href, then style.css. Now we are linking our CSS file, and we have linked it very successfully, as here you can see it. Now here I write like one more comment, and here I like font awesome import, means that now below we are adding our font like that. So for font, we paste the URL. I have picked the URL and the video source code in the description. Okay, I'm telling you one more time. So sorry, here I click, by the way I click the share, I click on the notepad. Here is a full link of the font. Let me copy it, let me erase it, and then paste it. So this one font has been very easily it's imported. So enter press. Now here you write link, and in the link write href. In the href write https://unpkg.com/box icons
When I write that, so now box icons at the rate 2.1.4 slash css slash box icons dot min dot css. Now when I write this type of thing, so now close your header and open your body. Okay, open body. So now when you open the body, so first of all now we start a home page start. Here we write comment home page start below. Okay, so first of all we start the home page with header. In the header we define class will be header, enter, and then a I'm giving href will be hashtag class logo, and then here I am writing Rayyan. Okay, what I am writing here, Rayyan. When I write Rayyan, and then here you write like I here and class. Here you write anything, anything. Okay, it is your own choice what you are writing. Now I class will be fa slash solid, fa slash bars, id menu slash icons, and then when I do like that I press enter again, then nav. In the nav we writing class will be nav bar, and then here we write a href hashtag home, then one more time home, but here you write class will be active. So like that, when your work is done like that, so let me tell you what you can do. Right here, right click, copy, then enter press, then right click, then paste it. Then remove this class active, and let me tell you what you can do. Come here, right here, skills. Come here, right here, skills. And then paste it. Sorry, do not paste it. A HF education. Now we are writing here education, and then a then href hashtag services services. Now here we write one more time, here we write a href will be hashtag contact, and here we also write contact. Now save it. Now let's see where till our this portfolio has been built it. Let me open my file. So till here my portfolio has been built it. Okay, let's come on it here again, and then enter press. Now we define a section. Okay, now we are defining a section, and section class will be home. Okay, and the id should be also home. Enter. Div class will be home image, and then enter. Now we define here image serix will be alex dot jpg alt. Save, run. Here you can see one image has been, my image has became. Now what can I do? Here you also put your image. Div class home slash content, enter. H1. In the H1 I am writing hi, comma, it's in the span I am writing Rayyan. Now when I do like that, so now we define here h3. In the h3 I write like class will be typing slash text. In here I write like I am a, then here write span. In the span we define class type writer slash text. Now when I do like that type writer slash text, so now what can I do? Now we come here, enter press, and come here, and then one more time enter press. So here I write like p, and in the p we write here lorem. Okay, enter press. Now we defining here div class will be social slash icons. A, in the A we write like href should be https slash github .com slash here we write here code with Rayyan, sorry, there Rayyan, and then okay, here you paste your GitHub link. Okay, I am writing here this tab. Let me write here Rayyan. Now target I'm giving to be blank, and then here I'm defining I in the I class fa slash brands fa slash GitHub. Then when I write it, here we write like a href, and here you write your YouTube channel. So I'm writing my YouTube channel. I go on to the Google, here I like Rayyan, and when I write Rayyan, I open my channel like that, and when I open my channel like that, then I click on here, and then I share the channel, then copy channel ID, then come here, and then I'm pasting it. Not here, not like that. Let me show you. Come here. Okay, this is a channel. Okay, copy it and then paste it. Now what you can do here now, target should be blank, then in the here you write I class will be fa brands, and here we write like fa slash YouTube. Then here we enter press href https. Now here you write your Instagram. Okay, here you write now Instagram. If I go here and here you write Instagram, I do not have Instagram, so I'm not pasting any input. I'm only writing the https slash slash www.instagram.com slash here I'm writing like Python. Now here we come here, and now here we write like target blank again, and here we write like I class should be fa slash brands fa slash Instagram. Now Instagram. Now when I write that, so now let me tell you what you can do. Enter press again, come here, right here a href will be hashtag, and then right here I class will be fa slash brands fa slash LinkedIn. Now when I write that, enter press, now we define here a, then href, then hashtag, then class btn, and then here I'm writing hire me. So till here our work is done now. So we are in our section. So now we start home page, and now skill page starts. For that you write section, class will be skills, ID will be also be skills, h2 class will be heading, in the heading you write here skills. Then here you write div, then in the div you write here class will be container, and then div class should be row, and then ID should be, let me tell you, ID skills container, okay, then enter press, then div class bar, div class info, and then image series will be angular.jpg, span will be angular, and then div class will be bar, then div class will be info, And then I'm writing here img Serix will be react js.jpeg. That give the spans will be react js. And then one more time you do a same thing. Angular, okay. Copy till bar. And then come here like that. React.js, then Angular. Then enter backspace. Then Angular React.js, Angular React.js, and Angular React.js, and Angular React.js, then Angular React.js, then Angular React.js. Save here, run. So you can see it, here you can see it hadn't came. Okay, so now let me tell you what you can do for here. Let me see how many I have written here. Okay, it has been not pasted. Okay, why it has been not pasted? Let me see. Angular and then this. Copy. Now, one time I have already pasted. So now, 2. Now, 3. Now, 4. Now, 5. Now, 6. Now, save it and run it. So it's looking like this. And now what can I do? I will be press enter here. And then here I write like skill page and education page starts. And then section class timeline slash section. ID will be education. H3, sorry, not H3, H2. Class will be heading. And in the heading you write here education. Then div class timeline timeline items, and then div class timeline slash item. The above we write items and in the down we write like item. And then div class timeline slash dot. Okay, we do not close this div. Okay, enter press here, space it, and then give here div. When you give here div, write a class will be timeline slash, sorry, in the small timeline slash the date, and then enter press. Not enter here, I like 2024, and then enter press, and then write div class high. Div class will be timeline content, enter press, and then H3 should be high school. P, here we write like lorem, and then enter. Now here we define like enter press like P, then to div. Okay, now div again, then class timeline slash item, then div, then class will be timeline slash dot. So now what we can do, enter press div class timelines slash date will be 2024, then div, then class timeline slash content, and then enterprise h3 university, and in the p you write like lorem, enter, that's it. So now you do the same thing, timeline item. First of all, for that you will be copy it and go here and paste it and erase it and write here only internship, and then enter, press again here, paste it, search here job 1 2025 T3 2024, and here I select 2026, and then enter press, and in 2027 I am writing here erase the university, I am writing here job 2. So this till here this page has been done easily, as here you can see it. This page is also be done. So now whenever this all page has been done, so now what we do here, we write like comment like education page and service page starts. So let's start to write the code. Section class services, and the s will be in small, then id will be services, enter, h2 will be class, will be heading, services, div, class will be services slash container, enter, then div, then class services slash box, then div, then class, then service slash info, not slash like you write this also, then h4 will be Python developer, and here you write like p, in the p you write like lorem and enter press. So when you do this, so service box, okay, so now copy it like that, okay, copy it and paste it at the same place, and right here it is this, right here web development, and then paste it again, and then you write like app development, and then paste it again right here game development, and then here you, let me show you here, first of all cross it, cross, okay. Now when I write game development also, so now we write software development, and then here I am writing ISO developer. Now when I do this, I am writing here service page and here I am writing like contact page starts. Here now we are writing like section, class will be contact, class, and that's why I'm giving the class will be contact, because the contact section has been started, that's why. But anyways, you write here h2, in the h2 define class, in the class heading, then contact, then span me, then form action will be hashtag, and then enter, div, class will be input slash box, then input, tab should be text, placeholder should be full name. Copy paste, and here we write email, and then erase this placeholder and write here email, and then write here div again, then class, then input red box, and then input type should be number, placeholder should be phone number, and then one more time input should be type text, placeholder should be subject. Okay, and then now we define here text area. In the text area, first of all, we write here name equals to this. Okay, and then here I write like ID. In ID we are writing this, and then I write like calls will be 30, then rows will be 10, and placeholder I am writing here your message, and then I am defining here and removing from here. Now whenever work is done till here, so now we define here input type shall be submit, value should be send message, class should be btn. And now here our contact page ends. Now footer section starts. For write that code, first of all you write like footer, then class will be footer, then div should be class will be social, and then one more write href, a should be href, then in href define here I, in the I define class bx slash l slash linkedin slash square, then enter, and a then href https will be slash github.com slash Rayyan, and then here we write like target should be blank, and then we define I. In the I we define class, in the class bx xl slash github. Now when I do this, so now let me tell you what you can do. Enter press, and here we write like a should be href should be https slash www.instagram.com slash python. Okay, now here I am writing target should be blank, and here I am writing I. In the I we defining class will be bxl slash instagram, then one more time a href. So here I am pasting my YouTube channel link, and when I paste it here I am like target will be blank, and then here I am writing I class bxl slash YouTube. Now enter ul class will be list, li enter, a should be href, in the href we write nothing, fqa, copy paste. First of all here you write about me, then here you write services, and then here you write privacy and policy. Privacy and policy. Now p class will be copyright, then @davrayyan.com, all rights reserved dot license. Now save it and run it. Sorry, run it. So till here it has been built it. Here you can see it. So for that now we are writing here comment, so the footer section and then here I write like cool animation. Cool animation, first of all you write here script, here you write your JavaScript link. How to write it, let me tell you. Right click, open with, and then notepad. Come down in the last. Okay, where's that? Okay, it is not. Come here. Right click, open notepad. Okay, there is a link. Let me copy it and let me paste it like here. Now after here it has been done, so now we link our script. So will be select main.js. So save it and then run it. So till here our work is done. So now we start to write a CSS code. So let's get started and let's start to write a CSS code. To start a CSS code, first of all you write margin should be 0, padding 0, box sizing should be border box, and then text decoration should be none, and then border should be also be none. Border none. Outline should be also be none. And then scroll slash behavior smooth. Font families will be Montserrat. On Montserrat, comma sans serif. And then here I am writing HTML, so the font size 62.5%, 5%, then overflow X will be hidden. Bodies will be background will be black, and then colors will be white. Font families will be Montserrat, comma sans serif. HTML, then slash WebKit, then slash scroll bar, width 0.8 rem, and then HTML should be slash WebKit slash scroll bar slash track. Background should be black. Okay, so now when I write that, so enter press now like that, and now here you write like scroll bar track. Now here you write like HTML slash WebKit slash scroll bar should be slash thumb. Background should be hashtag B8294D, and then here we write like dot header. Position should be fixed, top should be 0, left should be also be 0, width 100%, and then padding 3 rem should be 0%. Sorry, not 0%, 9%. Enter press, and then background should be RGBA 0, 0, 0, and here I am writing 0.7, and then enter. Then here I am writing filter should be a drop shadow, and drop shadow I am giving 10 pixels. And then display flag justify content should be a space between, and then align items will be center, z index 100, dot logo. Now we define our logo. Font size 3 rem. Font weight of our logo is 700. Font weight should be 700. And letter spacing here I am writing it like 0.2 rem. Color hashtag 0, sorry not 0, BA29 and 4D like that. And then here I am writing the cursor. Cursor will be pointed. And then here I am writing transition should be 0.5 seconds, easy. Now here we write dot logo should be hover, and here I am writing color should be red, and then transform should be scale I am writing 1.1. Then dot navbar a should be I am writing color should be white, and then text decoration should be none. Font size 1.5 rem, and then margin should be 5 rem. Sorry, not 5, 4 I'm writing here. Okay, now here transition should be 0.5 seconds, easy. Border radius 3 pixels, solid transparent. Now when I do like that, 3 border radius 3 pixels, solid transparent. And now let me tell you what we can do now. We come here again, enter press, then dot navbar a hover, comma, then dot navbar a should be active, then color should be hashtag I'm giving BA29 like that, and border bottom I'm giving 3 pixels, solid hashtag BA294D. Then I'm writing here hashtag menu slash icons. Color should be this, and then font size is 3.6 rem, and then display should be none. And then @media max width 995 pixels, and then here I'm writing hashtag menu slash icons, display block dot navbar. In navbar we are writing position should be absolute, top I'm giving him 100%, right 0%, width 80%, not 40%, and then border left I'm giving him 3 pixels, solid should be hashtag BA29 like that. And now I'm giving border bottom should be 3 pixels, solid should be is hashtag BA294D, and then border bottom left radius should be 2 rem, and then padding 1 rem, 3%, and then background color should be black, border top 0.1 rem should be solid RGBA 0, and then 0, and then 0, and then here I am writing 0.1. Now display should be none. Dot navbar dot active, display should be black, sorry not block. Now here I am writing like dot navbar should be 8, display should be block, and then font size should be 2 rem, margin 3 rem 0. Now dot navbar again is will be hover, comma, dot navbar will be a active, padding 1 rem, border radius I am giving 0.5 rem, border bottom 0.5 rem, solid will be black. Now when our work is done, now we are define section. In the section we write here min height should be 100 vh, padding 5 rem, 9% should be 5 rem. Then dot home I am writing here display flags, justify content should be centered, align item will be centered, gap I'm giving 8 rem, and then background I'm giving black, and then when our work is done, dot home slash content h1. When I write, then I write here font size means text size 8 rem, not 8 rem, 6 rem I'm giving him. Now when our work is done, enter press, font weight 700, and then line height 1.3, span color will be this, and then dot home content h3, font size 4 rem, margin bottom 1 rem, font weight 700. Now dot home slash img, border radius 50%, and then dot home slash img will be img, positions will be relative, width 32 vw, and then border radius is 50%, box shadow is I'm giving him 0025 pixels, so the hashtag BA294D, and then cursor pointer and transitions will be 0.5 seconds, easy in out. Save, run. So till here it has been built it like that. Here you can see it. It is hovering with very beautiful. Here you can see it. Now let's come on it here. Now enter press. So define here img. In the img, their width 500 pixels, height 500 pixels, and then tabs will be auto. Now sorry, tab not, I am confused. Tops will be auto. Then object fit will be center not cover, center, and then dot home img hover, I'm giving him transforms will be scale 1.1, filter I'm giving drop shadow 0.075 pixels, then right. Save it, run it. So now when you hover it, it's hovering like that. Here you can see it easily. Yes. So but anyways, come here now. Right here dot home slash content will be p. Here we are defining font size 2 rem, and then font weight 500. Now dot social slash icons a, displays will be inline flex, then justify content should be centered, align items will be centered, width 4 rem, height 4 rem, and then background will be transparent, border radius will be 0.2 rem, so border radius, their radius 0.2 rem should be solid via stack BA294D. Enter press now. Font size 2 rem, and then here I am writing border radius will be 50%, and then enter press. Then margin should be 3 rem, it will be 1.5 rem, then 3 rem will be 0. Then transition I am giving him like 0.3 seconds, easy. And border I'm giving like 0.2 rem, should be solid, hashtag BA2940. And then color hashtag BA2940. Dot social icons I'm giving here ace will be hover. Then background I'm giving him hashtag BA294D. And then box shadow I'm giving him 0.025 pixels, should be hashtag BA294D. And then transform should be scale should be 1.2. Then translate y should be -5 pixels, and then color should be black. So here you can see till here our all CSS code has been done. So what we can do now, we are coming on our JavaScript code. To write a JavaScript code, first of all you open your file, then new file, and here you make the file by the name of main.js in the personal portfolio here, and main.js. Okay, now let's start to write a main.js code. To write that, first of all you write here for typed or var typed equals to new type. Now here I am writing dot typewriter dot txt text and then comma, and then here we write like strings will be bracket, single bracket, and then here, and then comma, and then here we write like web developer and then comma, and then designer, then comma, then enter, then freelancer, then comma, then enter, then travel blogger, then comma, then enter, then YouTuber. So till here our JavaScript admin code has been also been done. So now let's start to write our let's start to see the output. Then we end the video. So let's see it the output. So now save from here, and save from file, save, come, file, save, come, file, and save, and then reload it. So here you can see it. This type of one has been built, and I am reloading. Here you can see it. So like that, you can see it. Hi, it's Alex. You here write your own name like well, let me show you. Come up. That in the logo I write like Rayyan, but Alex word came. Okay, I opened the wrong file. Okay, this is our file, and file. Okay, right click, notepad, Visual Studio Code. First of all, let's come on it here and write here Rayyan. And then here come down, where is that? And here I am also writing Rayyan. Then come down, and here you write privacy. It will be devrayyan.com. Then save it and then run it. So here you can see it as it has been built very easily, as when you hovering my image, it is coming in the red color, like hi, it's Rayyan, I am a freelancer. And then when you hovering your icons, it is looking like a wow. Here you can see it like that. Hire me button, here you can see it, which is very beautifully animated with the shadow. Here you can see it. Skills are also hovering, education hovering, then services, and see this. Here you can see it. When you click on the skills, you all come on the skills. Here you can see it. When you hovering it, it is looking like that. And then education, and I come under education, high school, university, then 2025 internship, 2026 job 1, then 2027 job 2. And when I'm clicking services, so I'm on coming in services, and it's also looking very good. Here you can see it. And when we click contact, so we have contact, and the contact is also be looking very good. And then send message, here you can see it, the send message button has been also be hovering, and in the down it is come like Rayyan.com already reserved, here you can see like that. And let me show you in the responsive. In the iPad mini it look like this. When you hover it, it look like that, like hire me button it is hovering, and then this, and then education, and then like that, here you can see it. And when you click here skills, it come under skills. If I show you in iPhone 14, it is like that, home, then skills, education, then skills, then services, and then contact, it is looking like that, here you can see it. So here you can see in today's video I told you about how to build a personal portfolio using a responsive personal portfolio using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here you can see it, I have Figma to HTML, CSS and JavaScript we have built it. So now let me give you the outro of this video in my full screen. So let's give the outro and let's end at this video.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy building this responsive personal portfolio website from Figma to HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rayyan for more tutorials on web designs, animations and creative coding projects. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, keep coding and create amazing projects. See you in the next one. So now I'm in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.